Light at the end of the tunnel for these homeowners, many of whom have dealt with flood damage in the past. There is no guarantee just yet, but it's a step in the right direction. This was the scene back in September. Homes underwater after flash flooding from heavy rains. Mayor Paige Cognetti and other city officials met with 19 homeowners in 2 of the hardest hit neighborhoods about opting into a program where the city buys the property and then tears down the homes.
These are properties that really shouldn't probably be residential anymore. Building a soccer field there is probably the best thing for the property owners and the best thing for the city as a whole.
The city is seeking more than $2 million in grant money to help fund these buyouts. David Kozlansky's home was damaged along Leggett Street. He and his family have chosen to take part in this buyout program after facing flooding several times over the years.
See light at the end of the tunnel, you say, hey, listen, we're prepared to move on and stop being worried every day. It's time to, hopefully get the buyout from the government and just move on with our lives and feel more safe.
We're hoping that, especially in the case of the Merrifield properties, there's pictures from 1940 where those homes were flooded. We're hoping that you see that historic flooding and that will really make our case.
All of the homes need to be appraised by February 29th before the application for grant money can be processed. Kozlansky and his family are still able to live in part of their home, but that's not the case for so many others.
The problem is some people were displaced out of their homes, so they're kind of living in relatives' house, hotels, other places for now. And we were told it might be till you see the final result, an 18-month span. So that's a long time.
Mayor Cognetti says they haven't gotten official word from FEMA on a disaster declaration from the September flooding, but believes they have been denied. She hopes there will be an appeal process to keep fighting for that relief funding. So hopefully there's some good news for these folks in the future.
All right.